You know, when we break a record for a day, it's a big deal.
Right.
For a month, it's a big deal. But because we made it to 80 degrees today, we've now officially gone through, in one way, the warmest winter ever in Jacksonville. Remember, our records go back to 1871. So as of today, we've had 26 days at 80 degrees or more. And that, again, makes it the most 80-degree plus days we've ever had during what we call meteorological winter, which is December, January, and February. But that's what happened. That's the easy part, right? What's going to happen? Well, here's the headlines. Warm gust on Thursday, then fresh gusts on Friday, and then a chilly weekend wind. Notice wind is the theme through this whole pattern. As we talked about over the last several days, that we expect most Marches to be active, which tends to mean windy, but this one will be especially energized, I think, and thus wind will tend to be a theme. Not every day, but it's going to be a factor. First, for tomorrow, very warm gust up to 86 degrees. That's 30 degrees Celsius with occasional gust to 30 miles per hour. And as far as the beach is concerned, yeah, going to make it to 86 degrees at the beach as well. There's going to be, for lack of a better term, an incredible swell that's going to hit the coast of Florida, the Bahamas, and Puerto Rico. Now, normally this would just be fun news for surfers, but because it's going to be so significant for inexperienced swimmers next week, you're probably going to want to stay out of the water. And I must say there's a bit of concern for structural areas, especially from Volano south. More concern for Central and South Florida, but we'll be on the edges. This will be something we'll watch as we head toward next week. For tomorrow, if there's any concern at all, late in the day, more like the evening, there might be some showers and thunderstorms, so I'll get out of the way. Notice St. Johns County on over to Clay County and points westward, just some isolated showers and thunderstorms. But as we go from Fernandina to St. Simons and especially over toward and up toward Lake City and Waycross, Thursday evening, so mostly after daytime, there will be some thunderstorms out there. What about this evening? Pretty quiet. Certainly warmer than it was yesterday evening. The dew point's up there, so that means there is more moisture. We do have clouds. In fact, things have become cloudier again late this afternoon as the sea breeze from the east has met the Gulf Coast sea breeze. So maybe just a sprinkle, but 99.9% of us will be dry this evening. Here's the main event from the Arklatex, where they do not need the rain, to northwest of Atlanta, and that's where a major storm system is developing. By the way, this is a visual satellite picture. Notice all the clouds are moving, except for right here. That's not moving. That's actually the sun shining on snow over the Dakotas and Minnesota. Thought you might find that interesting. I think it might be interesting later tonight to see just how much fog comes in from the Gulf of Mexico. For now, I'm just going to go for low clouds tomorrow morning. I think the only fog will be out toward the Swanee. Then we have a big warm up. Then we have fresh winds on Friday, and then we chill down for Saturday and Sunday.